indicator trading strategy even work? Are online trading gurus telling you false information? I have wasted years testing every trading strategy out there before I found the right one that worked. I've created this channel to expose every strategy and show their real probabilities so you don't have to waste your precious time like I did. I'm not here to sell any kind of online course, I'm just here to help you in your stock trading and forex trading career. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to support the channel. In this video I will back test 100 times, a very famous trading strategy called the CCI strategy. Yes, you heard it right, testing 100 times takes time and will most likely prove if you should risk your hard-earned money using this strategy. This video will be very similar to the RSI and MACD video I made a while ago. If you want to know if those strategy works after testing 100 times, check that video out. For those who are new to trading, this is what CCI indicator looks like. On first look, it looks like the RSI indicator, but it is very different. On TradingView, the CCI indicator will come with an orange line, called the CCI line, and two horizontal lines, called the upper band and the lower band. I have already made a video on the basics. If you have never heard about this indicator, check out my previous video where I explain this indicator in detail. If you remember, in my last CCI video, I was strongly against of using the CCI indicator alone to enter trades. And I still don't recommend it. You will see why at the end of the video. I only recommend to use it with some other indicator that you know works. Like I said in my previous CCI video, there are two kinds of traders that use the CCI indicator in very different ways. Also, in my last video, I showed two different methods to use this indicator. In this video, I'm going to use the second method, the method that most people use. In this method, when the CCI line crosses below the upper band, the market was considered to be overbought, and we should look to sell. Similarly, when the CCI line crosses above the lower band, the market was considered to be oversold, and we should look to buy. This method is very similar to the RSI trading strategy. We can even use the 200 moving average to avoid false signals. If price is above the moving average, we will only take buy signals given by the CCI indicator. Similarly, if price is below the 200 EMA, we will completely ignore the buy signals given by the CCI and look at the sell signals. Here's an example, the price was above the EMA, and CCI was crossing above the lower band, the market went up. Here's a sell setup, the price was below the moving average, and CCI was crossing below the upper band, the market went down. So, the question is, if you enter trades using CCI indicator, will you become a profitable trader? In the next few minutes, I will show you how the profit graph looks like after taking 100 trades, and how much is the real winning percentage of the CCI strategy, and how many losers you can expect in a row. I will fast forward the next clip to save your time. The following clip can help you understand how this strategy looks in different market conditions, so do watch carefully. For back testing, I have used Euro JPY chart. This strategy works on any time frame, and also works on both forex and stock markets. Here, I'm using 30 minutes time frame. I'm also taking sell setup in this example. Strategy for sell setup is very similar to buy setup. You can see how the win rate and profit graph changes as I take more trades. The real win rate will be revealed when we reach 100 trades or more. There are different ways to set profit targets. Here in this example, profit target was set 1.5 times more than the risk I was taking. You should always take profit more than the risk you are willing to take. If you are wondering why I'm only taking 1.5 times more profit and not 2 to 3 times, well, you see, the risk to reward ratio and win rate are inversely proportional to each other. In other words, if I increase my risk to reward ratio, my win rate will decrease. Because price will have to make a big move to reach that profit target. And that doesn't happen every time. Similarly, if I decrease the risk to reward ratio and set the profit target very close to my entry, my win rate will increase, because price will have an easier time reaching my profit target. In a buy setup, I was setting my stop loss below the swing low. Similarly, in a sell setup, my stop loss was set just above the swing high. As you can see on the left, for back testing, I'm using 10,000 as my starting balance. Also, I'm only risking 1% of my account balance on a single trade. You should only risk 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Otherwise it will be difficult to handle losing trades that will come in a row. Money management is the key to success in this business. In this example, when I lose, I only lose 100. But when I win 150. So, even if I lose 1 and win 1, I will still make money. Some strategies work on intraday only and some work better on daily time frame. This strategy, however, works on all time frames. Unfortunately, many trading YouTubers on YouTube will show a hand-picked setup to earn trust of the viewer, to sell them a paid course. They won't mention what's the probability of the strategy, so you can manage money and not blow up your account. Trading is a probability game. If you are not back-testing the strategy at least 100 times, you will have a difficult time with trading, or maybe will never make money. That's why I'm here. Reason why I created this channel is to show you the real probability of any trading strategy out there. By knowing the probability of a trading strategy, you can predict how many losers and winners you can have in a row, and manage your risk per trade accordingly. It took me around 1 hour to back-test 100 trades, and while testing, some trades almost came close to hitting the stop loss before going back and hitting profit targets. Don't panic when market is very close to hitting your stop loss. Losing is part of trading. Whole point of making this video was to show you the number of losers you can have in a strategy. No strategy works 100% of time. Even professional traders use strategies that only work 60 to 65% of time. As I always say, the key to make money is money management and trading psychology. Master that, and you can become a professional. Here are the results of the 100 trades. As you can see, the win rate of this strategy is approximately 36%. In this back test, I had 36 winners and 64 losers. I was able to win 4 trades in a row and lost 9 trades in a row. After 100 trades, I was able to turn 10,000 into 9,000. This is the worst return on investment I have seen yet. This is even worse than the RSI and the ADX strategy we tested last time. Let's be honest. If you have been following this channel, we know this is the worst strategy we have seen yet. That's why I was strongly against using it in my previous video. We now know the real win rate of the CCI strategy. This strategy was not able to make money because of the number of false signals it gives. Like I said before, use CCI with other indicator to increase its win rate. The MACD and Bollinger Bands strategy that I tested 100 times had way better win rates than this. Check out my MACD video if you want a better strategy. Or check out the RSI strategy video to see its real win rate. Now you know the win rate of the CCI strategy. Remember, I took trades based on the CCI indicator and 200 period moving average. If you use a different setup, your win rate will be different than this. If you want me to test any other trading strategy 100 times, subscribe to the channel.